Wow, but baby money will my father day because all you know. Wait, I never get from found no way. Oh, but I'm so happy of seeing you today. You know, you ever smile guy. You know, it seems like cool, but change can I say?
Nah, di ba fine?
Yeah, I'm fine in there.
Ano ito? Walang ngayon ito funte mobile ito labarin mo na ito.
Oh, yeah, you are right. I'm going to Yazz la yun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think you are Sophia, right?
Yeah, I'm so good.
Yeah, that's it. So you went Yanni.
I'm fine.
So what is the phone like? I'm curious, huh? You see how beautiful and how elegant you are. I need to love the from far. Still, that have been ringing in my mind, huh? But mira ko wala pretty damsel like you. I need to love the from far.
I just want to say thank you for your rescue for saving my life because I wasn't with myself when I was doing that.
No, come on.
So I just want to say a very big thank you from your rescue.
That's okay. I guess I was at the right place at the right time. So, but it's okay. You're welcome. Highly welcome. Come on, feel free. Feel free. You okay? Yeah, that's good. So, see my friend thing.
Nanti pukul ini dia ada. Sini ke beri bawa orang kan kau tekan.
No, ya lang gamne TV I go nya wada kalpa balen du mo le ada FaceTime ni mo le. Come on, just have it.
Oh seriously, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Ini ke beri bawa orang kan tekan ya orang.
Yeah, I come but like I was thinking like maybe I'm the first time lang wala atin na, Yeah, but try to move on. Hindi ko. Firing, manjay ma kung wala yun. Yeah, so how about you?
Lumit man ta sama po malapun na.
You see, I'm teasing you. Come on, because I can see that you're still not yourself. I want you to, come back on pitch.
Yeah, I will.
Are you sure? Just forget about it.
I understand that.
Then I think eventually you will come along. Yeah. Then. But I take it away from Mandinka, then let me have some. But come on. Why not let me bring a chair around your end? I think that will be more nice.
No, I don't feel
Oh, but it's not that way. I better from when man try understand. Come on, I'm here with you. I'm trying to comfort you, try to make you forget about everything, but still, you be from Mutakan. Popular wife and boy. Come on.
I'm good.
Hey, come on, I'm trying to make you forget the things, I'm here for you at any time. Come on, have some. You see? What is difficult in this? You're welcome. Wow. These people, they are the best, huh? Yeah, that's why normally I do come here, The leisure time, come from so hope you are enjoying the area.
Yeah.
That's good. But feel free, please. I'm always available for you. My doors are always open for you. Anytime you feel like you need someone to talk to, I'm your guy.
Yeah, I understand. I'm good.
Oh, it's from the pavilion in the mirror, You're finding, yeah? Oh, that's good. But coming now for still, I wonder what's going on. Like that. Tell me, because coming now for it keeps on ringing in my mind, I cannot just digest it.
I don't understand. Today I'm not in mood, but when recover, I will tell you everything. Since anything, I don't want to talk about it. Anything related to it, I don't want to talk about it. Because but as time goes on, me recover, I'll tell you.
Yeah, as I told you earlier on, I'm here for you. I'm definitely here for you, Feel free to talk to me at any time, my doors are always open for you. Come now when what the internet I can say that it's even destined. Come now when I was at the right place at the right time. Yeah, please. So I wish you come over soon. Really, I definitely do this.
Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah, but you like see more over the other, huh?
Okay.
Why don't you have some again?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Thank you.
Yeah, see more over the other, but I can say maybe mentally, you know. So why not man take away the data at least go somewhere, you know?
So, ano kung wala pa katajong kong?
Yeah, you can use that. So man na take away the data come out time whatever. Wow, what a pretty damn shot.
Cause I wouldn't put it on the song for so long. I waited, I hate it, guys, you played it. The end of break your